हेलो, सुन रहे हैं? हेलो। Son, I audible to you? Son, I audible to you? ये साहब गेट बंद कर लो यार, बहुत आवाज आ रहा है। Is it audible?
Sir, audible.
Okay, great, great, great. Thank you. So,
6.1 thermodynamic state function. Sir, answer number 2.
Answer number 2. What is the answer number 2?
Sir, quantity whose value is independent of path.
Independent of path. Okay, good. So this is the first one. What is the path function? Can you tell me?
Sir, path function depends on the path that is taken for the work to be done.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, there are only two path functions, that is uh,
Hmm.
sir,
Okay.
that
Okay. So independent means
let me
not
see.
depending, right?
So what
Independent
can he?
means
What
not
can he?
depending. So thermodynamic state function, that is what you are saying, correct? Path function is only two quantity are there, work
What
and
can he?
heat. So that you will realize that is correct one. Now let us move on the next question. So if you are going on the next question, you see what is the next question. How to move here? It is not rotating. No, no, no. Wait, wait, wait. Yeah.
So,
Question number 2.
for
Okay.
process to occur under adiabatic conditions.
Hmm. What will be the correct answer?
Sir, this one delta T equal to 0.
Delta T is equal to 0. This is the isothermal condition.
Hmm.
Isothermal. In isothermal, T is equal to 0. So what you are saying, this is absolutely wrong. What is the else? P is equal to 0. This is the vacuum.
Isochoric, sir.
Vacuum, isochoric not, isobaric.
Isochoric.
Baric means pressure. Bar is the unit of pressure. Okay, next one. W is equal to 0. Constant volume.
Yes.
Constant volume.
This is isochoric.
This is the isochoric. Then which one is left? Heat.
Q-choric.
Heat is adiabatic condition. If you are talking about adiabatic process, what is the adiabatic process? If I will tell you, that is the process in which what will be there? In which no heat exchange, no heat exchange. That you keep in mind. Heat should be 0. Q is equal to 0. Okay, so this is what. What will be the next one? Next one means
Enthalpies of all elements in standard state.
wait, wait, wait. Let me go the third page. Okay, tell me. The enthalpy
Enthalpy
of all element in standard state is what you are saying?
0.
This will be 0. Like this is H2. Okay. So delta FH is equal to 0. If you talk about delta FH naught, this is O2. Whatever this is standard things are there already available in environment, that enthalpy will be 0. So this is what you are saying, that is absolutely correct one. Okay. Now the next one, what we are having, the question number 4. Let me tell you. Here is the question. Tell me this one. Question number 4.
So minus x kilojoule per mole. Value of
Hmm.
delta is 0.
Hmm.
So this one don't know.
Okay. Hmm.
Value of delta is 0 is
Hmm. So they are giving delta H value and delta U value. How they are interrelated? Can you write the equation? How these two terms are interrelated? Write the equation. How these terms are interrelated? Okay. Delta U plus T delta V. Okay. That is correct. Okay. Very good. Then next step, what will be the next step?
so next step del is equal to del u plus
Term of
v del t.
interrelated. Okay. Delta U plus. Hmm.
Del
What you can do?
Sir, did not understand the question only, sir, what they wanted to know.
They are saying delta U of combustion is minus. That is, they have given delta U is the negative. Delta U combustion of methane is the negative. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So delta H they are asking.
Hmm. Delta H is negative. Delta H U plus P del V. Sir, but del U is P del U, but sir, if P del V value is more than the del U value, then it can be positive also.
That is you are saying correct one. Delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V. So this will be P delta V. No, they are asking the value of delta H. Sum of internal energy and pressure volume work. That is okay. So delta U is equal to negative and P delta V is there. Suppose it is the sum value will be there. Okay, it should be the sum value. And any other relation which we can write. Because this cannot be 0. Right?
Yes, sir.
So delta H should also be going to be the negative one. It should also come the negative one. Let me check in the book. It should be also negative. It should be negative. Check in the book which one is given. Thermodynamics.
Minus.
What they have given?
No, sir, one thing we can see, sir, question is given that del H is greater than U naught, less than del U0 or equal to del U0. So, sir, here we are having del U plus P del V means, sir, surely it will be greater than del U. Because, sir, we are adding one term, na, sir, here. Sir, given date, sir, we have a particular value for this one. So, suppose this is x minus x. Sir, whatever this value is, sir, this will always be positive because, sir, this delta v will be positive. So, sir, this one, so this one we will always have delta x plus something. So, sir, it will reduce its value. So that means it will reduce its value. That means increase its magnitude. So, sir, we will have this one as this del h is greater than del u.
They are saying del U of the combustion of methane is minus x. The
Yes, sir,
value of del H. They are asking the value of del H.
sir,
So,
for del H, we are adding something na, to del U. So, sir, obviously del H should be more than del U because we are adding the P del V, that value.
but it is term is the negative, na. This is the negative term, na.
Sir, let it be negative, sir. Where we have to say whether it is negative or positive. Sir, in question only asked its relation with del U naught. Sir, fourth option is wrong because it cannot be 0. Sir, equal to U naught is also not possible. So, sir, we'll have to choose between 2 and 3. So, sir, from 2 and 3, we see that we are adding P del V to del U. So, sir, that means this is greater than del U. So, sir, that is why I think this should be option 2.
You are saying option 2. And what the option given? Option given is, I think, option 2 is given.
Sir. So because you are adding the P del V, we are adding with that one. So sir, obviously should be greater.
Yeah, it is a little bit confusing. Little bit confusing. Negative term you are using P del V. Okay. And then you are saying that is U should be more. You are saying U should be, yeah. Correct. See. Okay, this is correct. Delta H is equal to delta U plus delta NGRT, right? This term is negative term, right? This term is negative term.
But this one will always be positive, no? Whatever the situation might be.
Okay. In other terms, something we can write for this one. If we equate somehow, some other equation, enthalpy equation can we write? Delta H is equal to delta U plus delta NGRT. This is there.
Sir,
Enthalpy
in
is
both
some.
these cases, you are adding something with del and delta U.
Hmm. So adding means it should be like that, you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll see this question. Now check back the next question. What is there? Question number. Now this is fifth, na?
This one you have to tell me, sir.
This question I think I told you, but let us see.
Sir, yesterday we did only 6.7 and 6.8, so not this one.
Okay, let's see. They are saying the enthalpy of combustion of methane. This is the CH4, and you are heating in the oxygen. So what is they are giving CO2. So you take the two molecule. So this will be the 2H2O. How much they have given, and the another is the graphite. Carbon plus CO2. This is giving CO2, and dihydrogen. H2 plus half O2. This is giving H2O. For this one, they have given some of the value they have given. They are saying minus 890, then minus 393.5.
Talking about this one,
Uh,
this one, sir, the second one which you wrote. Sir, why you are not writing as 2H2 plus O2 2H2?
for 1 mole, na, is standard enthalpy. This all kilojoule per mole they have given, na.
So that means it's a
You,
standard enthalpy.
see the unit. This all the value they have given for 1 mole. If you are writing the here, if you are multiplying by 2O2, something like the 2H2O, na, so it will form the 2 mole. But
Hmm.
these value are given for 1 mole. Getting my point?
Yes, sir. Sir, then, acha, yes, sir.
This whatever the value they have given, na, kilojoule per mole they are writing. So means that
But
is the,
sir, then in that case, sir, they are giving the first one also is kilojoule per mole. But sir, here we are having CO2 plus 2H2. Then what to do with this one?
here you see, na, here 1 mole. Enthalpy of combustion is 1 mole. Here is 1 mole. Here is 1 mole. For you are burn, this energy is releasing when you are burning CH4, na. This is not for the formation enthalpy. This is not the how many H2O molecule form, how many CO2 form. It is saying that is when 1 mole CH4 burn, this much molecule, this much heat release. 1 mole carbon burn, this much heat release. 1 mole hydrogen burn, this much heat release. Not getting.
Getting.
Okay. Then what the next point they are saying enthalpy of formation of CH4. Right. What is the enthalpy of formation? Enthalpy of formation means the formation of 1 mole of compound from their standard state. So what is the required reaction? See the required reaction. So required, how can you standard state of carbon is C and standard of state of hydrogen is H2. So it will give CH4. So you need to multiply this by 2. This is our required reaction. This is what they are asking. Delta FH not CH4. How much it will be? Getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. Now, whatever the data are there, you use the data. See, in the required reaction, according to question they are asking, this CH4, whatever they are given in the reactant side, it should be product side. Yes or no?
Yes.
So we are reversing the first equation. What you are doing? Reverse equation 1. So we are reversing CO2 plus 2H2O. It is going to give CH4 plus 2O2. And this sign, when you are reversing, the sign is also going to be that is positive. That is negative term, na? It will
Yes,
be
sir.
positive.
Negative will become positive.
How many carbon required? Carbon required reactant side here. This is. So it will be as it is. C plus O2. This is going to give CO2. Here is the same sign, 393.5. Hydrogen required how many side? This is reactant side. But how many mole? 2 mole. According to question, required reaction, 2 hydrogen molecule required. So here, but in the reaction given 1. So what we will do? We will do the multiply by these 2. So if we multiply by these 2, so it will give 2H2. Half
Yes.
O2 multiply by O2. So it will give O2. So it will be what? 2H2O. When you are multiplying, the value also get multiplied. So negative 8 2 ja 16. 8 5 ja 10 1 11. No, 5 2 ja 10 1 11. Yeah, 2 8 ja 16. 16 1 17. 2 2 ja 4 1 5. 5 7 1. Now, when you are solving this one, everything will be cancelled out. Only which one will left? Only the required reaction will be left. You can check here. CO2 not required. So CO2 and CO2 cancel out. Left side, right side.
Sir, you are adding this one.
Yeah, but this is the left side there, and that is right side, na CO2.
Yes,
In
sir.
one
So
first
cancel.
equation, left side, and second equation, right side. Cancel. 2H2O, left side, 2H2O, right side. Cancel out. Here you see, this is the 2 water molecule left side, cancel out. 2 water molecule right side, it is also cancel out. So what is left here? Carbon plus 2H2. So what is left here? This side CH4. Getting or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, but here one thing. Sir, here
Uh,
only O2 is given. Na? There two O2 is given. So you cannot cancel. Na? There should be two.
So one O2 is upside and one O2 downside. That is
Oh,
2O2. And this is 2O2. What is the problem?
okay, got, sir. So only
After
one
adding,
strike was there. I thought cancelled only one.
now this is the enthalpy of formation, delta F H naught. Now you added, na, this all equation you added, that is what you getting this equation, na, final equation. Yes or no?
Yes, so we will add the energy also.
That is Hess law, you know, na, Hess law.
Sir, which law?
Hess's law.
No, sir.
Sum of energy change in single step or in multiple step will be always equal.
Ah, yes, that one I know. Sir, name could not recognize.
Okay, but you should remember that one also.
Yes. Sir, yes, law.
Hmm. Can you add this one?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Doing. 6 plus 8, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 9, 6. 890 minus 965.1.
Hmm.
5, 10, 6.
571.6. This is
Minus
70.
65.1. Sir, answer is minus 65 point.
No, no.
Sir, let
This
me
will
check.
come something 75 something or 74.
890 minus 393.5 minus 571.6. Sir, this one will
893,
be bad.
393.5
This will be 11, 3,
minus
4, 5, 9 plus
571.
7, 16. So that only coming, na? 965.1 minus 890. So 75 point minus 75.1. This one
No.
coming. So should be answer A.
285 where something multiplication is wrong. What?
So why 75.1 is coming, na, sir? The answer given 74.8.
So 285.8 multiplied by 2. So 2 8 ja 16, 2 5 ja 10, 1 11, 2 8 ja 16, 1 17, 2 2 ja 4, 1 5. And here 393.5, 890.0. So which option is correct? That also we need to match now.
Sir, one. Option 1 will be correct. Shall you check that one? 1 will be correct.
Option 1 is correct.
16.
74.8. This is option is correct given.
Yes.
Okay, so this is also okay. Now the next one. See, tell me about this one. You write something. Can you please erase this one? Something you
Yes,
wrote.
sir.
Tell me question number 6.6.
So 1 second. Just.
Hmm.
The 6.6 A plus B, C plus D plus Q. Found a positive entropy change, the reaction will be. This question did not understand.
This question did not understand. How can you say like that?